What is up, guys? It's me, Dan from the Convoys. Here back with another video. Today we are reviewing a new steering wheel we got and comparing it to our old one. This is the Thrustmaster Ferrari Spider wheel. We've had this for at least a year now, and we were good with it until we got this new one. So we're going to unbox it and show it to you after explaining this one. So this Ferrari wheel is pretty simple. It has Triptonic gear shifting behind it, and the ABXY buttons on the either side, an engine start button, which is the D-pad. Is a D-pad, start and menu buttons, and this dial, which is pretty hard to twist. Also, it has these pedals, gas and brake.
If you try to like press it down, it starts moving all over the place.
Yeah, because it doesn't have like any spikes or anything for carpet. It just has like rubber for like hard floors. So this is like a stand we whipped up with a desk, weights, and so we'll show you a little bit of gameplay with this. It works okay. But the rotation is only 270 degrees. It only rotates so much. That's how much it rotates, that's the max. Otherwise it works really well. It doesn't have any like force feedback like a regular car, and the new racing sim wheels nowadays are like really, they force feedback. This one doesn't have much. It just has like an elastic band in there or something that like makes it shoot back. If you twist it, it'll just like spring back into place. Otherwise, there's not much feedback on it. This wheel is only compatible with Xbox, but there are other versions of it that come for PlayStation and PC. The next wheel we're going to be viewing is the Logitech G923 wheel. That's True Force compatible, and the driving force shifter that is compatible with it for manual driving. So let's open these up and see what's inside. So we have unpacked everything. We have the gear shifter here. It's got 6 gears in a reverse. And it looks pretty simple. It has a clamping mechanism to attach it to whatever your surface is. And here's the main wheel. The Logitech has this thing called True Force, which is next gen technology that uses the engine of the racing simulator game and makes it more realistic with the vibrations and the dual motor inside of it. And you have complete control of everything, and this has a bit more controls on it. As you can see, it has the D-pad, X, Y, A, and B, 12-point dial for looking at different things and maybe like F1 racing or something, start and menu buttons, these buttons, the tectonic shifters back there, and the Xbox button. Next, you have the pedals. As you can see, 3 metal pedals instead of the 2 pedals. This one is the clutch, the brake, and the acceleration. And these pedals have rubbers as well as spikes that lets you put it on carpet so it doesn't move. So this, as you can see, this also has a clamping mechanism with this twirly dial thingy that lets you attach it to a desk or something. And this material that this is made out of is leather, stitched leather, like a regular steering wheel, unlike this wheel, which is
rubber,
plastic and rubber. And these
metal
tectonic plates are metal, but over here they are also metal, and they go all the way back here, and they're bigger, while on that one they only go up halfway.
I like to click on these ones.
So For this wheel, we ordered a stand that's gonna arrive in a couple of days, so we will continue the video when they get here. But before we do that, we'll show you another test with another game on the old one to see how it feels. This is Forza Horizon 5. As you can see, Ray is driving here. How does it feel?
Like, I can't really. It's just plain, just turning steering wheel.
And as you can see, he's only turning it a little bit, and on the screen, it looks like he turned it like
All the way
left.
It's extremely sensitive in Forza.
The game beforehand was that we were playing was Dirt Rally 2.0, and Ron played that. So how did that feel for you, Ron?
That game felt, the sensitivity wasn't like that high in it, so it was a little bit easier.
Taking a shortcut.
So I feel like this is better for Forza, honestly.
Taking a shortcut.
So while you're going on a rampage to a stadium, so do you like this?
Yeah. I mean, it's okay. It's not better than the other one that we're gonna be using when the thing comes here. Whoa.
Does this feel plasticky and weird to you, the wheel?
Kind of.
Before, this was perfectly fine because we used this wheel all the time. So
yeah, before, but ever since we played the new one, this just feels so plain now.
So we'll wait for the new wheel to arrive. I mean, the new stand to arrive, and we'll set that up, and we'll show you guys that. So we got the box for the stand, or whatever that thing's supposed to be called. We got it from AliExpress. More info on that later, but let's see how it looks. I hope it's not complicated to make. Here we go. So this is how it's supposed to look. And I don't think this is the instructions. This is the instructions?
What?
It's like, oh no. This is the instruction sheet. This is it.
No.
Is it in Chinese?
That's not the instructions.
It's not.
That can't be.
And there's like a bunch of metal pieces and the bag of screws and Allen keys and stuff.
Allen keys.
It's like a few boxes.
And then there's like, that's heavy. Why is it so heavy? Oh.
Because it's filled with Allen keys.
It's a box, there's arms. Yeah, it's gonna take a while. So, while we make it, I'll give you an explanation
Time lapse.
of where we got it from and when we got it
And then
from.
time lapse.
Okay. Let's get building.
It's gonna look cool.
To acquire the racing wheel setup that we got, I went to AliExpress and I found this wheel setup by Funcastle. I chose it because it had free shipping along with a decent price for what it gave you. Also, the reviews were good. Here is our new Logitech G923 setup with the stand, hardwired and all that, with the pedals that don't move because they're screwed to it, gear shifter.
We don't need spikes.
And the thing, this pedal base comes with spikes, which I can't show you, but it's screwed on, so we don't need that. Clutch pedal, brake pedal, gas pedal, everything we've already talked about.
These two are much bigger.
Yeah.
This turns
Gearbox.
like 900 degrees.
We've already said all this.
You said gearbox?
Yeah.
Just
So,
read it.
let's
Gear one,
have
gear two,
Ron
gear
try
three,
it
gear
out.
four.
Let's have Ron try it out.
And also me.
Yeah. How does it feel to you right now?
It feels good.
And how's
I
it-
like the leather.
not just the wheel. How's
Yeah.
it feel compared to the desk that we used before?
It's like it's much higher. I have more legroom underneath it to like use the pedals too.
Nice. Are you about set up? Okay. So I think this one is a bit better because it vibrates and gives you that feel of a car. Like if you're going out of control, the wheel will also go out of control.
You can
Okay,
see
now
it
for
on here
gameplay
too.
testing.
And the RPM meter right there,
You
which
can
is
see
LED,
it.
you can see when you need to change
Look,
gear.
you can-
Now we're moving on to gameplay testing.
This is Forza Horizon 5. How does it feel in this game? Responsive?
Yeah, really responsive.
Sorry, didn't mean to do that.
I was going so fast.
I mean, still going to be go fast.
I'm
So,
sorry.
you are using a Bugatti, which is really fast and generally hard to control. So, how does it feel to you?
It's like vibrating a lot when I'm trying to turn and go straight also. So I'm just gonna try to brake.
So,
I'm gonna go to the
another
speed
problem with the gear generally to me with the problem with the gear shifter, only in Forza, is that most cars in Forza have more than 6 wheels. I mean gears. I mean yeah, like this Bugatti that Ron is driving has a max of 7 gears, which is kind of annoying because then you have to use the Triptonic pedals to switch to 7th gear. Otherwise, it's pretty good.
That's also my issue for me.
Do you what's it called? Do you like the pressure on the pedals? Is there a significant difference between them? Like,
Huh?
is there significance between the force you use to press each pedal?
The brake is like the it has the most force. I have to push really hard for the brake pedal.
Oh, okay. How about the clutch pedal? Does that require some force?
Not really. It's like the same as the acceleration.
So, let's move on to some other clips.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
What do you think they should fix on it if there's
The
anything?
gear shifting, they should make it a little more visible so you know what you're shifting into.
I honestly think the gear shifting's fine.
So from what we've seen overall, the Logitech G923 is overall much better than the Thrustmaster, which is over there. So we hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye. Wow.
Sorry.
How's the car not wrecked yet?
I don't know.
You owe me so much money.
It's not your car.
Yes, it is.